Now student, we will start a new chapter, that is theory of demand. Okay, the chapter name is theory of demand, and in the theory of demand we start from concept of demand. So demand ordinarily means the terms desire. The terms desire and demand are usually interchangeable. Desire and demand are interchangeable. Okay, demand has have a distinct meaning and desire have a distinct meaning. So in economics demand has distinct meaning. Demand has a distinct meaning. Okay, demand has a distinct meaning. What is the meaning of distinct? Why it says distinct meaning? Suppose I am taking an example. Suppose I have a desire. I have a desire to purchase a mobile. Okay, suppose I have a desire, or I have a want, to purchase a mobile, but I don't have sufficient amount of money to purchase that mobile. If I do not have sufficient money or enough money to purchase the mobile, then it is not a demand. Then it is not my demand. Again, suppose I have enough money, but I have no desire. To purchase the mobile. Then again, it is said that it is not a demand. Okay, so there are two things we have to consider here, that in economics, demand means the demand must be backed by purchasing power. Okay, that means what it writes here, the desire becomes demand only when you are ready to spend money to buy that commodity or goods. So what is the meaning of demand here? The meaning of demand is, if your desire is backed by your money, that means the desire becomes demand when you are ready to spend the money to purchase that goods. Okay, that is why demand for a commodity is a desire to buy a commodity backed by sufficient purchasing power and willingness to spend. That means when we say demand, when we say demand of a good, that means I have a desire to purchase that goods and I have sufficient money to purchase that goods. Okay, so if we say that I have desire but I do not have sufficient money to purchase the goods, then in economics it is not a demand. And another thing is, I have lots of money, I have sufficient of money, but I have no desire to purchase the goods, to purchase the mobile, then again it is said to be, it is not a demand. Okay, that means demand is, it must have a desire. Demand means when we say X is a good, X is my demand, then we say that I have a desire to purchase X. I have a willingness to purchase X. Okay, and I have the ability to purchase X. I have the ability, that means I have sufficient money to purchase X goods. These three conditions must be fulfilled. Then we say X is my demand. That means when we say X is demand, then we say that I have desire to purchase the goods, I have willingness to purchase the goods, and I have ability to purchase the goods. Next we say concept of demand.